You got the hiccups? Oh, goodness. Goodness. They don't seem to bother you.
She gets them all the time.
You got your licker out. Licker. Goodness. Goodness, honey. You need the hiccup straw. That'll get rid of your hiccups. But you can't have water. You're just a baby. Yeah.